I'm here at the Escoda County Area Transport Specialist, which is now permanently closed. We've been talking about this place for 3 years, about how corrupt it really is.
What happens when a judge, a nonprofit, and a criminal conviction all intersect within the same tight-knit circle of family and personal relationships? In northern Michigan, critics say the answer may point to a deeply troubling pattern, one that now follows Judge Cassandra Morse-Bills as she campaigns for a seat on the Michigan Supreme Court.
Hi, I'm Cassandra Morse-Bills, and I am running for Michigan Supreme Court.
At the center of the controversy is Escoda County Area Transit Specialists, OCATS, a nonprofit once led by Morse-Bills and closely controlled by her family. Tax records show that even after she stepped away, leadership remained in the hands of her inner circle, most notably her brother, Clifford Morse, who oversaw the organization's finances. Then came the scandal. An employee hired by Morse-Bills herself, Stephanie Onweller, was charged, convicted, and ordered to repay nearly $100,000 in an embezzlement case. On paper, it looked straightforward: a single employee, a financial crime, a conviction. But beneath the surface, the connections raise unsettling questions. Morse-Bills removed her name from the nonprofit before the case reached the courtroom, but her family did not. It landed with Sierra Koch, a prosecutor with a reported personal relationship with the very man controlling the nonprofit's finances, and coincidentally, the judge's brother, Clifford Morse. The prosecutor pursuing the case against the so-called fall person had close ties to the nonprofit's financial overseer, who was also the judge's brother. No formal ruling has declared misconduct, but for many observers, the appearance alone is staggering. Was this a case of isolated wrongdoing, or was responsibility narrowly focused on one individual, while others in positions of power remained untouched? Onweller has since appealed her conviction, continuing to maintain that the story is far from complete. Meanwhile, OCATS carried on. In 2025, new leadership under Tamara Butler was supposed to mark a fresh start. Instead, controversy followed again. A widely circulated video appeared to show troubling treatment of a disabled veteran by a transit driver.
Do you have a shovel? Do you have a shovel? I'll pull up and just shovel it. I don't have time to see you pull back and forth, back and forth. I'm not going.
An incident that intensified scrutiny after leadership declined to take clear responsibility.
What about the treatment to that veteran?
That was a very glitchy and set up video.
So the video of him treating that veteran was disabled and it was set up? So you won't be doing anything to hold Robert Forletta accountable?
That is not your information.
Soon after, the organization collapsed. OCATS has now shut down. Its nonprofit status appears to have been revoked by the IRS, and new allegations of missing funds have surfaced, with reports suggesting further investigation may be underway. For critics, the pattern is impossible to ignore: a family-run nonprofit, a criminal case tied to that nonprofit, a prosecutor with personal ties to its financial leadership, a judge connected at every level, now seeking higher office. No single piece proves wrongdoing on its own, but taken together, they form a picture that many say demands answers. As voters consider the future of the state's highest court, one question continues to echo: is this a coincidence or a corrupt system that protects itself?